Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, we're out here doing another barbecue crawl back here at Jack's. And we're going to try to go look at their pits. Let's go inside and see what we got. Okay, unfortunately we can't go back and look at the pits, but we can look through the window. Guys out there trimming up some briskets. Look at the size of that pit. And then there's another one over there. It looks like we got three different pits. So we'll sit down and try this. Right now we're in the bar area and we'll go from there. Oh, there's opening the doors. Let's see if we can zoom in. So it looks like he's just rotating them right now. Okay, I went with their double trouble. Got some brisket, a little bit of chicken, some potato salad, and something I've never had before, collard greens. We'll give those a try. Got some mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is really good, nice and creamy. Let's try this. All right, let's try the collard greens first. It's an awfully big bite, but it's something I don't even know if I'll like. It's interesting. Not bad. It does have for me, a little bit of a spice to it. But they're not bad. Interesting. Yeah, let's try the potato salad. That's good. Brisket.
How's everything tasting so far?
Very
good. Good stuff?
Have you tried the sauce yet?
Here's some mild sauce. Give the mild sauce a try. That's right, the same. piece of brisket. Try it in the sauce. Very tomato paste heavy. Cheers. That's a lot like ketchup.
It is mild.
But it does have a sweet flavor to it too. Let's try the chicken. Now we didn't have chicken the last time we went up there. That was the leg. See a nice color to it. Give it a bite. Heavy smoke flavor, but good. Nice looking brisket. All right. We'll finish eating and we'll give some more information. Banana pudding. Let's give it a try.
Pudding.
Pudding. All right, so let's recap our experience at Jack's Barbecue down on Airport Way in Seattle. Now this is the restaurant where his big pits are at, and I will tell you, it's a pretty cool restaurant. Everybody should go by and visit that if you want to see a pretty neat layout as a dining area and for the experience. Now they're not doing pit tours anymore, but they do have a viewing window that you can go out and look and see the pits, and that was pretty impressive. I was like blown away with those. You know, it's, to me, as you saw there, I got what they call the double trouble. I got their chicken and brisket, and then it came with two sides. I tried collard greens for the first time, and then I got their potato salad. And for me, you know, it's all restaurant style type cooking. Their mild sauce, barbecue sauce, I'm not a fan of. Probably should have went with their spicy just to give it a little kick. But then again, the brisket was better without any sauce on it. So yeah, it was good. Then we ordered their banana pudding, and you have to say pudding. It was banana wafers pudding, and that was delicious. That was probably my favorite new dessert. So overall, we are glad we went and saw the restaurant. Right now we're going back over towards home, and this is a tunnel across the Lake Washington right here. So we'll be out of it in just a second. So, but really enjoyed it. It was really cool. The neat thing is they're actually opening up another one south of Seattle in the Algona area. If anybody's down in the south end, Puyallup, Federal Way, Auburn. It's going to be opening up in Algona probably by the first of the year, and they are going to have their own pits down there, so everything will be smoked fresh. I guess, you know, if you're ever in Seattle, definitely go visit
Jack's Barbecue. I recommend going to the one down on Airport Way where the pits are. The one downtown is just a satellite restaurant. They do all their cooking down at the Airport Way barbecue store, and then they, you know, van it up in Cambros and things like that. So we enjoyed Jack's. Recommend it. If you're ever over, come go to it. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching. You could do this. Not that hard. Until next time, my friends. Real on.